What's up guys, it's Michael here. In this video, we're going to look at whether investing can truly make you wealthy in the future. And before I get into this video, I don't want to waste your guys' time. The short and dirty answer is yes. Investing does make you a lot more wealthy, and there are so many examples of this, including myself. And that's it for the video. Just kidding, let's get down to it. So before I get into the video, please click the like button down below and a subscribe button and a bell notification icon so YouTube will notify you when I upload a new video. So if you made it this far, why investing makes you more wealthy, I explained it so many times in the past and I'm going to explain it again. So this time, what makes it really interesting is taxes, because as you know, the current president, Joe Biden, is planning to switch the capital gains tax to tax more wealthy individuals. But that can be hard from the truth, because what depends a wealthy individual? Is it based on your net value? Is it based on your personality? Or is it a combination of everything? But at the end, one thing always stays true is if you're living in a country like America, having financial security and financial freedom is the best way to live a more comfortable life than becoming homeless or poor, because you have a lot of things that happen in your mind. If you have less things on your mind, and you're more calm and you have a lot of basic security, there's a higher chance for you to be more happy and more satisfied with your life. So what can you do? What can you do to make yourself more wealthy? If you're working in a minimum wage job, and I was going to post a previous video, if they got about 100 likes, I'll post a video what happens to someone making minimum wage and they take whatever they had and invest it straight into stocks and randomly pick. So the best way and most dirtiest way to say it is investing into stocks. I'm not your financial advisor, so please look into a financial advisor if you're looking for financial advice. This is just my opinion. But if you look going down a rabbit hole, if you just put your money in investing in whatever type of stocks, so you look at your top 500 companies, and it's been proven a monkey can make profit just from picking up stocks. It's holding. The whole idea of investing is buying it, look into a company, and holding, and also take risk, calculate risk that whatever money you put in, there's a chance for it to lose it, to be burned away, never see it again, burn to ashes. Poof. And at the same time, you can suddenly become double or triple of value. In most cases, about 9 to 10% increase in value. So the only way to become more wealthy, so if you're working minimum wage and you have a really hard time staying with open a business, then why not split it up to two? One part's investing and the other part to your business. So business itself, like I mentioned in my previous video, is very difficult to do. But you only need to succeed one time. When you succeed one time, you are basically set for life, because money will continue to roll in and all the tax breaks you can utilize will be applied as long as you have a really good CPA. If you're a good CPA, then he'll utilize it for you and explain it to you correctly in the terms and how you can utilize your bracket. But why does investing is more super important and it's not really well known today? Because it's not taught in schools. Because when it comes to money is treated as a very touchy subject. They consider it as a really dirty industry. Look at the adult entertainment industry. They try to keep it really secret and dirty. But that's even more dirtier than that, because they say oh, if you make a lot of money, you must be bad. But the interesting part, you look at all those people who say that, they're all super wealthy themselves, which is ironic, because it's buddy, you're making so much money and you tell us don't be wealthy. And the reason why they try to keep you poor, because then more people own businesses and start investing in newer tech companies and other types of companies, then a lot less people will pay taxes. And when a lot less people pay taxes, what happens? The government will get scared, sadly. But at the same time, if more people own businesses and they pay a lot of taxes, they can be more financially free and spend their wealth somewhere else. They don't have to have all these current day problems where people are being homeless, or they can't find a job, or they can't barely make ends meet. It's because either they just never got the opportunity, which is majority of them, or they never really gave it a try. Take a step out of their comfort zone slowly. So investing in stocks is the best way to do it. It's the most easiest way, low barrier head to entry. You don't need hundreds of thousands of dollars like real estate. And there's even ones like a Roth IRA, or even the worst case, the most easiest one. By the time you're watching this video, if you're 18 and over and you're working a job, savings account, even to pay 0.01%, not even 1%, even that is generating money. Your goal in investing is basically making another persona and having another hand feed you in income. Meaning is whatever money you make, you invest in something, and whatever you invest, that's another persona giving you money back to you within a timely manner. So There are times you lose money when you put it in, but at the same time, there are times you make money because investment companies are trying to grow. So meaning overall stocks will generate and go up in general. So you're investing, basically you opening another hand, basically made like a third arm that traveled somewhere else, maybe in a universe or another company decide to bring in revenue for you. That's the whole point behind investing. And investing can make you wealthy if you don't want to like open a business and you still want to be, financially free. Let's say you make like $100,000 a year, then you got to take your time and look at different types of investing, stocks, real estate, and bonds, crypto, even Roth IRA, index funds. The list goes on. You just got to search for it. As long as you put a little bit of income in there, you put more and more over time, all the little increments amount of money you put in will eventually come back to you in larger chunks. Because when I say now, like right now, you think buying like certain stocks is expensive, like an index fund, right? Like VTSAX over $3,000, or you look at like other index funds, $50, $100, or like crypto, Bitcoin, even they look really expensive. Now you come back and looking at a few years from now, it's gonna be different. And I guarantee you, because based on how the system is set up, like compared to Japan, because Japan's a really stagnant economy, but America is different because a lot of people here, it's a consumer state. Consumer country. We like to buy things, we like to see new innovations. When that's the case, it costs money, so things will always rise in price. So if you want to be financially free, make sure to think about your financial situation. Don't put it off. Do some research and figure out whether or not that investing in whatever you want to do, it's worth it. So if you don't want to invest in stocks, invest in yourself and open a business. If you don't want to do that, then find something that requires a lower barrier to entry without you trying so hard. And that's all I gotta say for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.